Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the battery door of your GoPro Hero 11. Now it actually doesn't matter what version of GoPro you're using. I'm demonstrating this on an 11, but this should also work for all of the previous versions of GoPro. And as you can see here, I currently have this lid open, so let me just lock this close like so. And what we need to do to remove this battery door is we're just going to try and wedge our nail in this kind of lip thing at the bottom here. And what you need to do is once you've got your nail underneath here, we just need to push upwards, and if you've never done this before, you might need to push quite hard, and that should release like so, and then we can obviously take the door off. And then inside of here we've just got our standard stuff like the battery and also the SIM card. And this door as well, we can actually remove this if you need to, so if you ever need a door replacement, then we can just clip this off like so, and this just clips back under this piece of metal here. And then to lock the door back in place, we just push from the bottom where we just pulled up from, and then make sure to push down and make sure that it's locked in place once you've locked it. So if I just show you that again, we're just going to come with our nail right to the bottom here and push upwards, and this should kind of slide up and then it comes off. It might be a little tricky to get off at first if you've never done this before, but it does get a little bit looser over time. And if you don't have the nail to kind of put underneath here, you could always get an object like a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife and try and use that to pull this upwards. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you remove the battery door of your GoPro. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.